Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can start your Shopify dropshipping store or your own store in less than 10 minutes. So right now I will go to the shopify.com first of all. So let's go to the Shopify. So to do that, let's click the shopify.com, or you can go to the Shopify partner. Okay, and from I'm going to go to the shopify.com, and after that you have to click the start free trial. Then you will get the Shopify free trial for 3 months with $1. So I'm going to choose one of my account, and from here I will moving forward. Okay, so first of all I have to do, just I have to log in into the Shopify because I already logged in. And from here, as you can see, is it's saying that start with the free trial and stay for $1. Okay, so today is free, so 3-day free trial, and then next 1 month, next 1 month, 1 month for 6 months, $1 for 6 months. Okay, so always no commitment and cancel anytime. Okay, so it's pretty simple and straightforward. Just you need to give your name first. Okay, so that's the first step. And then second step, whenever you will log in into the Shopify, at this point it's look okay. So let's go to my store. So and then after that, whenever you will create your account, and your Shopify dashboard will be like that. Okay, so your dashboard will be like that. So first of all, what you have to do, just you need to explore your dashboard. Here will suggest some product. So whenever you will add your store, so whenever you will come to the dashboard, after that you have to go to the product, and from here you have to click the you have to add the product. So as you can see, previously I have added one candle product, so I will show you exactly how I did that. So first of all, you have to give to the Shopify title, and then later on you have to give to the description. And if you don't have a description, if you don't have a copywriter, you can use Shopify AI description writer, and then you can change the tone like a perspective and playful and daring expert. Okay, so right now what I'm gonna do, basically I'm gonna add the images. So as you can see, if you don't know how to add image, just click the plus icon and it will take to the Shopify media, and from here you can add. And after that, variant, color, variant, and then also Shopify meta title. So that's the process of the Shopify product ad. And after that, you have to come to the like a market content. So you don't have to do anything. So after that, you have to come to the menu, and from here you can under the content you can add your own menu. So if I click to the main menu, as you can see, I have created couple menu. So if you don't know how to create a menu, so first of all I will create a new menu and then I will show you. So let's create the menu, and then here you have to give to the menu name. So like for example, ma menu. Okay, so from here, as you can see, add item, and then from here like home, and then from here you can select any page you want to link up. So I will click the home page, and let's click the right tick, and this way I will add all the link that I want. So collection, all the collection link up. So let's click on the save option. So this way you can keep the main menu. And then right now I'm going to show you how you can customize your store. So to customize your store, first of all you have to come to the online store, and after that it will take for a while to loading. And whenever you will come into one over here, at this point you have to select a theme. So if you don't know how to select a theme, I will show you right now. Okay, so guys, you can see it's taking some net issue. I will come back whenever it's okay. Guys, so as you can see, my store actually showing here. So in the Shopify I have a lot of free theme. As you can see, all the free theme actually available here. So if you want to see how many free theme, because they have a 24 free theme, if you click the visit store, then you will be able to see on Shopify free and paid theme. So as you can see, paid theme 873 paid theme available, and free theme 24. So you can filter, okay, the free theme, and then also you can filter the paid theme. Okay, so as you can see, all the paid theme here. So as you can see, beauty theme, all the theme actually available. You can try like that. Okay, try the demo. You can see, try the demo. The price will be $320. Okay, so let's go back, and from here you can actually like a specifically filter by industry, like art filter, and then auto filter and back filter. All this stuff actually available here. So it's totally depend on you. So guys, I hope you understand a lot of thing how to do that about the theme. Okay, now let's go to the dashboard, and from here, suppose this is your theme you have selected. So to customize your theme, you have to click this customize, and from here you can edit your section. If I click on the section, you can see we can add the image. So if you can also delete image, you can actually add this free image from Shopify. You can select your own image. Okay, so this way you can customize all type of section. So if I come to here, so first of all, to edit any section, you have to click the parent section container, and from here you can like click on this one, and then you can edit like a alignment, position, vertical, and if you want you can add any type of section, and then also you can generate section by AI. Okay, so you can see all this stuff actually available here. So guys, this is the part of the Shopify, and then I already showing you how you can add the header and footer. So the so suppose you have created the header and footer, but the header footer not showing into website. So first of all, to add your header and footer, you have to click the menu, and under the menu, as you can see, the menu link option, and from here you can select your menu by replacing which one you want to add. So we have created main menu, so this one. Okay, so as you can see, our main menu showing here, and same thing you will do for the footer. So as you can see, here's the footer. You can add the menu by clicking here. So as you can see, all the menu, privacy policy link, everything available here, so you can do it. This is the self-explanatory matter, you can explore by yourself. Okay, so let's go back. So right now I will show you how you can add the privacy and policy. So to add in privacy policy, you have to go to the settings, and after that you have to come to the policy, and whenever you will come to the policy, you can see the return policy and refund policy. So you can actually insert from Shopify template. So if I delete all of them, as you can see, here's the option insert template. So as you can see, a couple of actually content generated by Shopify AI or Shopify like a shop from Shopify. Okay, so you can add your own like a own return and return policy. So this is self-explanatory matter. So after that you have to click on the save option. So this way you have to add the all the terms and service and shipping policy contact information. After that you have to go, come to the Shopify like a shipping and payment method. To add the payment method, so as you can see payment option here. So from here you can add your payment method. So to add that, first of all, as you can see, the supported payment method, so you have to click on over here, and from here you need to search the payment provider that you want to add. So if you search here, it will show here, like for example Visa. So as you can see, Visa actually showing here, and then you have to click on over here, and after that you have to follow the next step. So guys, let's move into the next one, and from here, as you can see, you can activate the Shopify payment provider. So to do that, you have to choose payment provider, and then you have to follow the next step. So guys, I hope you completely understand, this is a third-party payment provider. So that's the main thing. So now let's move into the shipping and delivery. So to come into you have to come into the shipping and delivery, and then after that you have to click on the shipping and delivery, and from here you can choose your rate for a specific shipping zone. So if you want to add any shipping zone, after that you have to click the add shipping zone, and from here you can choose the United States or America, whatever it is, and then it will be added here, and after that you have to add the rate, how much shipping. So my price will be free shipping. Okay, let's search free as this shipping. So let's click on the done. So as you can see here showing the it's United States, it's the free shipping. So after that you have to click the save option, and then you have to go back. So guys, yeah, I think that's pretty much it of our store design. And if you want to add any apps, so you have to click on apps, and from here you can add any apps you have, like CG dropshipping, any like supplier apps if you want, you can add it from here. So how you can do that, you can search these like a CG dropshipping already added. So we can search like DE, yes sir. Okay, so you can search these are apps, so it will take to the Shopify app store, and from here actually even it's very easy. As you can see, these are AliExpress dropshipping, and from here you have to click on over here, and then you can click the install. It will be automatically installed into our store. You can see some pricing at the bottom, and then after that you will be able to see review. Okay, so guys, that's the main thing. So let's go to the store. So yeah guys, I think that's pretty much it. So I think you have been basic understanding how you can create and launch your store in less than 10 minutes. So if you like that video, please subscribe my channel, and in future what type of content you are looking for, let me know into the comment box. So guys, thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Bye bye.